Before taxes, I make a little over. How much do first-year doctors make? I'm Dr. Greg with Medical Muscle, and I'm gonna share with you guys how much the average makes and how much I make as a first-year psychiatry resident. The average salary for any specialty across the US is between $52,000 a year and $73,000 a year. That's the range, with an average of $63,000 a year. It does not depend on specialty, it depends on location. Places like New York City pay much higher, whereas if you're in the middle of the country, their pay is gonna be a little bit lower. And if you break it down into an hourly rate, that can vary even more because each specialty works varying hours. Like for example, I work between 50 and 80 hours a week, depending on if I have call or not. I know there are surgical specialties out there that do work up to 100, maybe 120 hours a week. And the salary is pretty much the same regardless of the specialty at that location. So how much do I make? Before taxes, I make a little over $70,000 a year. And again, that's salary. So if I work more and I spend more time on charting or things like that, I don't get paid anymore. So if you add up all the hours that I end up working, it comes out to about $28 an hour. But there are some nice benefits that we get as residents. So at our hospital, we get 4 weeks off for vacation. We get 3 days of sick day, personal day stuff. We have 3 days off for educational days. So if we have to take step 3 or want to go to some conference, that's covered. Also get $1,000 educational stipend. So that can go to buying new laptops, buying books, going to conferences. And then a nice perk, which I use quite often, is the food stipend. At our program, we get about $120 a month to pay for food. It's not a lot, but it's good if I don't want to cook for that week. I can just grab lunch at the hospital. Each year that we go through residency, we make a little bit more. So it goes up at our hospital by about $3,500 per year. Now, moonlighting is really how most residents make money. You can make very good money as a resident doing moonlighting. In my state, you can't start moonlighting until after year 3. So in my 4th year, I'm gonna be able to do some moonlighting. So that's how much I make. It's about as much as I was making as a personal trainer before starting this whole journey, but I worked way fewer hours and it was not as stressful, but I really enjoy this process. I like what I do, and I know, obviously at the end of residency, I'm gonna be making a lot more than what I'm making now. That's the benefit. I don't ever suggest people to pick medicine as a way to make money. There's a lot of other things you could do that would be a lot less stress, would be a lot probably easier in the long run than picking medicine. But medicine, it can be a lucrative field. If you enjoy it, it's a lot of fun. You get to work with people, which is exactly what I wanted to do. And it was a good choice for me. Guys, I wish you the best in whatever you're working on. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video or any video. I will answer back. And obviously, make sure to subscribe. Wishing you guys the best of luck.